Welcome to this week's episode of Work Truck's Upfit My Work Truck weekly program that focuses on upfitting. I am Wayne Parm, one of the editors of Work Truck. We've all seen those pickup trucks out on the road squatted in the back, whether it's when they're hauling a heavy trailer or even just hauling a heavy load in the bed of the pickup. The common solution through the years has been installing airbags under the rear of the vehicle. Now, one company that really knows about airbags is Airlift Company. They know all about load leveling and produce a series of air spring kits that are designed to work with a vehicle's existing coil spring suspension to level the vehicle properly. Those kits are part of their Loadlifter series. Well, the Loadlifter series is not new, but recently Airlift has launched the Loadlifter 5000 kits for the Mercedes Sprinter vans, covering model year 2019 through model year 2024. The kits work with the two-wheel drive version, the four-wheel drive version, the 144-inch wheelbase, and also the longer 170-inch wheelbase. Having your Sprinter properly leveled while hauling cargo can help in several ways and even maybe increase safety a little bit. One thing to consider, if your Sprinter is heavily loaded and squatted in the rear, the front is pointed high, which means you can have poor headlight aim. And you really don't want your driver to have to worry about the concerns of traffic while also potentially blinding drivers in oncoming traffic or, at a minimum, distracting them with headlights. Another concern is once you level that van, you see improvement in unresponsive steering. Now, the company also points out by leveling the Sprinter, you can prevent body roll and also bottoming out. So what does the kit feature and how does it work? The Loadlifter kit provides up to 5,000 pounds of load leveling capacity. How do they achieve that? Well, Airlift uses a double bellow air spring setup, and those springs are paired with upper and lower roll plates. On top of that, the kit features ultra high strength nylon end caps. All Airlift load support air spring kits carry a limited lifetime warranty covering the entire kit's contents. On top of that, the company also offers a 60-day money-back guarantee on all load support air spring kits and also on all of its onboard air compressor systems. Be sure to check back in next week to see what the latest topic, product, or tip will be on Work Truck's Upfit My Work Truck. Thank you.